Today we will be creating the extra large lemon blueberry lunchbox tart from Disney's Hollywood Studios. Hey guys, here's the deal. I made this recipe up and literally have no measurements in mind. Sounds crazy, right? So we're going to want to start by flouring our work surface before rolling out our pastry to our desired thickness. Keep in mind that this is a puff pastry and it will do exactly what it says it'll do. Puff up. After that, we will add our jelly. This is homemade, of course. I put the length of the jelly recipe below.
To infinity and beyond! That's the stupidest thing I ever heard!
After you crimp your edges like so, wrap in plastic, creating a tight seal and placing it in the freezer overnight. Wake up, preheat oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit before fixing your coffee, then placing pastry in an oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown. While our baby is in the oven, we want to fix our frosting. This is a fresh blueberry frosting, so we will start by adding 6 ounces of fresh blueberries with 4 tablespoons of butter to a blender, grinding before adding to a small sauce pot, bringing to a simmer before straining into a bowl and adding 1.5 cups of sifted confectioner's sugar before whisking. If you want, you can add some blue food coloring for effect, and also wait before adding to the top of the pastry, or you'll get something that looks like this. I suggest waiting about 30 to 45 minutes before adding the frosting. However, everyone was hungry and this still turned out great. Now, how to make puff pastry with my lovely other half.
Remain seated, please. Permanecer sentados, por favor.